Now, at least 14 tons of rotten meat has been found dumped in Kamakis area in Ruiru sub-county in Kiambu. The heaps of the meat bearing Chinese label were found close to a residential area. According to the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, the meat was found in several cartons. Officers from the county found the meat after residents of Kamakis complained of filthy smell emanating from the decomposing meat. The Director of Environment, Andrew Kimani, told reporters that parts of the meat were intestines and private organs of a ruminant animal.
So we wish also to caution anybody who will be found handling this meat, and especially those who are making, those are in informal butcheries. So it's good always to eat from fully licensed and premises that are well known by the authorities and are available for statutory inspections.